Watery dosa batter can be repaired in 3 simple ways. Stay till the end of the video. I will tell you a bonus tip how to repair loose dosa batter instantly. Method number 1. If we have lot of time on hand, for example, we need to make the dosas in the evening and we are getting the batter ready in the morning, then this method would really work. Now for repairing 1 liter of loose dosa batter, we need to soak 1 small glass of raw rice plus quarter glass of urad dal separately. Now grinding. Leave this soaked for about 1.5 hours and then first make sure that you grind the urad dal softly and then the raw rice separately. Mix both by adding little salt. Now add this mixture to the loose dosa batter and leave this batter to get settled for about 2 hours. After that, you can start making dosas normally. Method 2. When we are running short of time, that is less than 2 hours, you can try this method. For every liter of loose dosa batter, you can soak 1 glass of poha and half glass of suji or rava. Now, leave it for about half an hour to 45 minutes. Now, start grinding them separately. Mix them well by adding little salt. Now, this mixture could be added to the loose dosa batter. 1 ladle of curd could be added for taste. And then mix the batter. Now allow this to settle or ferment for about half an hour to 45 minutes. And then start making the dosas normally.